Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kinong ilam jong All Right Marwet People Federation gila Ujor sa Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy o Avilas Baranwal. Halor ka jington jong kibrig ibdang iptang manti Khyndew Beaiñ hagiba bun Jaka ka Thaiñ Marwet Ribhoy District. Kaseng hapo ka jingalam jong Presiden ba ring sok pedang haka sitrik nopra arjar afsan kiliyathu bakani ka jing Ujor sa DC kalong hadin bo range officer jong katanat forest kabdan hakat armer sem nakit kiai RUM ban khangi jingti Khyndew Beaiñ hadin beliau pedang ya ke jing Ujor nakani ka kenhuan.
Kalian ko orang dalam people solution di waktu itu yang di bang labu kau letter ba angkani ka cutting di Khyndew pasar sako buat Marwet ini ba kadau kani ba Khyndew ni long ba ta ha saka Mariang ini baca ang kalba tu long ba aduna ka jungi sendi ba nakapos di matrai da potlap da di baslap asam ba kenok ya kayu kejela jungi kemela jungi ba hamtam ya karat Marwet jungi kenok ba bade ba Khyndew menyi ba Khyndew da ba dalam plat anak sapa asam ba tu terus tau nakileng sile ulah ong yang ni long ba ya rap saya keren satu saya loro keren satu sa di forest department so dia foto ni long ba katanya kemen ni long ba kin ya rap yang ni mah kene long ba kin ku da kin ba jungi sini kan Marwet barat basta ko nga yo ba ni sa banun ni so di ni lari ibang ranger officer ka Armpf nila ay ka complain ambo ranger kan si khatang din do hatu matar kadang ya kata ka iyo do ni na kalian sen Armpf all right Marwet People Federation isu penat but ikan do bisi ula simkia ya ka complain jongi ke ka ba kathong jongi keseng ba ya kite ginong nakatega area mai guli bagi high level ki ba otndoma telong ka disokia yang ye kum kasang namar babun sing yo e nakatega tempat Marwet jongi kadu syak kenok ba kamtam na ki baru kamtam ya ka jelar ki ong he ba karat Marwet ki long kumne kum taima te sakawe nakinong song ru ba ni hapakhat kum kalian kasang namar paino manta ki Khyndew telong ka kaduna ba te hadin kaduna te bapli kim kot bormo ban le kum bale maki ban sina boring yo i mentah ka timrat jungi namar don ti bakam don pa ki sina da boring da te sakawe dangi I love bit bakin Khyndew te ka jung tiro baki judi ro kan long saw te sakawe ka pollution ro kata ya kamariang te ya kata i condemn ha minum I love bakin ot ikan Khyndew namar ka panjot ya kamariang kan kata ku today we came to DC office Nongpo. We are from All Right Marwet People Federation. We have raised an issue regarding earth cutting in our Right Marwet area. Because of the earth cutting, our wells are getting dry. We have facing a lot problem of flood, and soil erosion and all. Our lands are getting less fertile. Poor people and all, they don't have money to boring and all. They depend on wells, or because of the land cutting, lots of wells has been dry up. So that's our issue. So the DDC has told us that he forwarded this for the DDC will forward our application to the forest department. After that, forest department, whatever they reply, DC gonna forward that report to us.
People just met me. They are from All Right Marwet People Federation. They met and submitted one complaint regarding some alleged illegal earth cutting activities going on in Maithili and nearby villages. Per se, it falls in the domain of DFO territorial. So we have just received the complaint. We'll have to ascertain the facts. So I'll forward the matter to DFO and seek inquiry report from them to be able to proceed further. I'll have to check if it is still valid, because generally these orders issued under section 163 are valid for 6 months. So we had issued orders during monsoon season, especially in light of the landslides that are triggered because of the uncontrolled earth cutting activities or unscientific earth cutting activities across near the highway regions and PWD roads. So that order was passed with regard to controlling the landslides that may be triggered because of these earth cutting, but then whether they are still in operation or not, that will have to check.